This stylish washing machine from Hoover is great if you want a model with intelligent technology to make laundry days effortless. It has a super-fast 1600 RPM spin speed, an excellent A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 9 kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hoover's one-touch technology means this model can be remotely controlled using your smartphone or tablet. Simply download the app for free onto your smart device. You can then turn your machine on and off, choose your wash cycle, and even monitor your laundry's progress. So, when you'd rather spend time in the garden or out with friends, you can have perfectly clean clothes without tending to the machine. This washing machine has 3 quick wash programs to choose from, so you can easily work your laundry around your plans. With a quick twist of the dial, the 14-minute cycle can refresh smaller loads that aren't heavily stained, and the 30-minute program can revitalize slightly larger loads. For dirtier clothes, the 44-minute wash gives a more thorough clean to those items in need of a little more TLC. If you're looking for a washing machine with intelligent technology to make laundry days effortless, this stylish model from Hoover is the one for you.